Welcome everyone. In this video we going see about how to build a logic for varying order quantity using a combiner. Let's see the flow of items. Pallets are generated in source 1 with particular arrival rate. Boxes are generated in 5 sources. And the boxes are moved to the queues. Then pallets and boxes are combined in the combiner, processed for some times, then moved to the conveyor and finally destroyed in the sink. Let's set the properties. First connect the pallet source to the combiner. Then connect the box sources to the combiner. Go to source in which the pallets are created. Select the flow item type as pallet. Set the arrival style as arrival schedule. Click the edit table option. Set the number of arrivals. Enter the arrival time intervals in which the pallets are created. Add a label column to the table and enter the label as type. And give the value from 1 to 5. Now set the properties for box sources. Set the inter-arrival time to 0. Set these properties for all the sources, which implies the source produce infinite item at time 0. Set the queue max content to 20 or any random value, for all the queue's maximum content. Now create a global table which stores the value of order quantities. Go to Toolbox, click the plus icon, select the global table option. Generate 5 rows and 5 columns. Rows refer to the number of ports connection and column refer to number of schedules of the combiner. Enter the order quantities. Now let's set the properties for the combiner. Go to Trigger tab and select on Entry Trigger. Then select the Update Combiner component list with labels. Give the global table references and leave the label as type as we already created label in the pallet, which implies that for each pallets arrives the quantity will update as per the global table. In combiner set the combine option as pack. For clear understanding of the model, let's set the color for boxes while entering the queues. Go to Trigger tab, select on Entry Trigger. Then navigate to Visuals. Select Set Object Color. Then set the color. Follow this for other queue and set different colors. Let's run the model. Let's check the quantities of boxes being packed in the combiner. You can see the quantity of first row is 2, which means from Q5 2 items should be packed, which is green in color. Let's check in the combiner. You can see 2 green boxes are present in the pallet. Let's check for other quantity. Next we have 4, 3, 5, which is 4 red boxes, 3 oranges boxes, 5 pink boxes, and 0 yellow boxes. Build the model and analyze the quantity for other arrivals. Now that you've seen what FlexSim can do, here's a quick look at our full training course, FlexSim Basic Training. It's a self-paced, beginner-friendly series that covers all the essentials of simulation modeling. No paid license needed, every exercise works with FlexSim's free version. Whether you're new or just want a more guided approach, this course gives you the confidence to build real models. Check out the full details on our website, we'd love to have you on board. Happy simulating! For more content, subscribe and hit the bell icon.